Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of search engine optimization, SEO, and exploring how you can optimize your blog to rank higher in search engine results. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the importance of using relevant keywords and meta descriptions. When it comes to optimizing your blog for search engines, keywords play a critical role. These are the words and phrases that people use when searching for information online. By incorporating relevant keywords into your blog posts, you increase the chances of your content appearing in search results when people look for related topics. To find the right keywords for your blog, start by conducting keyword research. There are various tools available, both free and paid, that can help you identify popular and relevant keywords in your niche. Look for keywords that have a good search volume, but are not too competitive. These are the keywords that have a higher chance of driving organic traffic to your blog. Once you have your target keywords, it's time to strategically incorporate them into your blog. Place them naturally in your blog post titles, headings, and throughout the content. However, be cautious not to overstuff your content with keywords, as this can negatively impact your rankings and readability. Aim for a good keyword density that feels natural and provides value to your readers. In addition to keywords, meta descriptions are another